It's no wonder peace lilies are such popular houseplants. They tolerate low light and are not often troubled by pests and diseases. They wilt dramatically when they need water, which makes it difficult for you to neglect them for long. Add in their beautiful foliage, strong architectural shape, and brilliant white flower structures and you certainly could consider them the perfect houseplant. There are about 100 different varieties of peace lilies available. Here is our list of best 30 peace lily varieties. Number 1. Piccolino peace lily. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum piccolino. Piccolino is a dwarf and compact Spathiphyllum variety. The plant displays shiny dark green leaves with pure white blooms. Number 2. Sensation peace lily. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum sensation. Want a large leaf peace lily variety? The largest are sensation peace lily varieties. Probably the largest peace lily variety available, it offers immense tropical leaves and can grow up to 4 to 6 feet tall. Number 3. Patricia peace lily. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum patricia. This compact variety showcases rich green leaves and white blooms, making for a great contrasting display that shines elegantly in your space. Number 4. Sonia peace lily. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum sonia. The beautiful Sonia lily is distinguished from the rest as it has a small structure and charming white blooms, making it the most wonderful of all small peace lily varieties. Number 5. Little Angel peace lily. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum little angel. Little angel is a compact dwarf specimen that grows bracts more readily than other old varieties. The leaves are deep green and glossy. Number 6. White stripe peace lily. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum white stripe. This small variety exhibits a beautiful matte finish with green leaves having white stripes running up the center. Number 7. Domino peace lily. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum domino. Domino peace lily is an easygoing plant and offers ruffled green foliage patterned in very fine white streaks. It creates a beautiful contrast with white space, making it stand apart from the rest of the peace lily plant varieties. Number 8. Jetty peace lily. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum jetty. This gorgeous variety shows off lush, glossy, and green leaves with beautiful, long-lasting white bracts and full growth. Number 9. Mauna Loa supreme peace lily. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum Mauna Loa supreme. This peace lily variety has a medium size and can grow up to 3 to 4 feet tall. It has true glossy green leaves that are up to 9 to 12 inches wide. Number 10. Clevelandi. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum clevelandi. Clevelandi features unusually long leaves that can be up to 18 inches in length. It can grow up to 1 to 3 feet tall. Number 11. Power petite. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum power petite. This variety is a perfect choice as a houseplant due to its compact form and offers dark green shiny leaves. Number 12. Wallacei. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum wallacei. Wallacei is another dwarf variety that can grow up to 12 to 15 inches in height with 8 to 10 inches long rippled foliage. Number 13. Picasso. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum picasso. A beautiful specimen. It is quite popular thanks to the incredible variation on the leaves that come in shades of white and light green. Number 14. Allison. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum allison. This hybrid variety makes for a great houseplant and features flowers that look like calla lilies. It can grow up to 2 feet tall and is best in indirect light. Number 15. Annette. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum annette. Though the plant looks like other peace lilies from the list, its spathes are slightly curved at the edges and look brilliant with a slightly variegated foliage. Number 16. Bongo bongo. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum bongo bongo. The bold and beautiful foliage of bongo bongo produces leaves that are 10 to 12 inches in length and have prominent lines. Number 17. Figaro. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum figaro. This variety has deep green foliage that contrasts really well with the pure white spathes. It does well in indirect light. Number 18. Sebastiano. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum sebastiano. Sebastiano is a lush specimen with evergreen leaves. It is a great indoor plant that flourishes in low-light areas. Number 19. Silver streak peace lily. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum silverstreak. Silver streak peace lily boasts grayish-green foliage with a white stripe running down the center rib. Number 20. Platinum mist peace lily. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum platinum mist. Platinum mist peace lily stands out with its foliage that displays mosaic-like variegation, creating a beautiful silver sheen effect. Number 21. Diamond variegata peace lily. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum diamond variegata. Tough to ignore the diamond variegata when it comes to types of variegated peace lily. The diamond variegata peace lily showcases large, rare-to-find variegated. Number 22. Kochii peace lily. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum kochii. Kochii peace lily produces glossy, ribbed, lance-shaped green leaves, similar to the arum lily. Number 23. Blue moon peace lily. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum blue moon. Blue moon peace lily displays medium-sized, dark green foliage that gracefully curves at the edges. It also offers white upright blooms. Number 24. Sweet Pablo peace lily. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum sweet Pablo. Sweet Pablo peace lily produces creamy white flowers, which contrast beautifully against the backdrop of its dark green foliage. Number 25. Diamond sensation peace lily. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum diamond sensation. Diamond sensation peace lily. A stunning variety of the Spathiphyllum genus. It features diamond-shaped white spathes that emerge from the center of the plant. Number 26. Sebastiano. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum sebastiano. Sebastiano peace lily is a showy indoor plant that has dark green upright foliage with serrated edges. Number 27. Golden glow peace lily. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum golden glow. The golden glow peace lily exhibits lush, dark green foliage and golden yellow spathes. Number 28. Mojo lime peace lily. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum mojo lime. This eye-catching houseplant showcases striking lime green leaves that sets it apart from traditional peace lily varieties. Number 29. Pearl cupido peace lily. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum pearl cupido. The pearl cupido peace lily is a mesmerizing cultivar of the popular Spathiphyllum plant. It offers ample blooms and lush green leaves. Number 30. Viscount peace lily. Botanical name: Spathiphyllum viscount. Viscount peace lily showcases broad, emerald green leaves that arch upwards.